Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WordPress site backups using UpdraftPlus, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Plugins. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type UpdraftPlus. Locate the UpdraftPlus WordPress backup plugin. Click the Install Now button. Once installed, click Activate. Return to the WordPress dashboard. In the left menu, find Settings. Hover over it and select UpdraftPlus Backups. The UpdraftPlus settings page will open. You will see the current backup status and options. To configure backup settings, click on the Settings tab. Choose your preferred backup schedule for files and database. Select the remote storage location for your backups. Options include Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. Follow the prompts to authenticate your selected storage option. Once connected, click the Save Changes button. To create a manual backup, return to the UpdraftPlus dashboard. Click the Backup Now button. A confirmation window will appear. Make sure to check the boxes for database and files. Then click Backup Now. UpdraftPlus will begin the backup process. You will see a progress indicator. Once completed, a success message will appear. To restore a backup, go back to the UpdraftPlus dashboard. You will see a list of your backups. Choose the backup you wish to restore. Click the Restore button next to it. Select the components you want to restore. Click Next, then confirm the restoration. UpdraftPlus will restore your site to the selected backup. Once finished, you'll be notified of the successful restoration. Periodically check your backup settings and schedule. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.